It's a cold morning this morning. It's really, really freezing. It's like kind of alpine weather, but it's still beautiful. And this is the Dutch yard. So this is a north-facing side of our house, and so it's quite shady, and it used to be really horrible until we bricked it, and now I absolutely love it because it's like a stage for all our pot plants. So we've got things like all the different Muscaris, like this lovely pink sunrise, and then beautiful pansies like this viola called Antique Shades Mix, which I adore, and this other Muscari, this other great hyacinth called Latifolium, which has the two different blues. I love that. And then we've got a Fritillaria and early tulip collection going on here. So these are all brand new trial varieties. And this one's just coming out called Sunset, which looks like it's going to be so beautiful because it's got that beautiful bronze foliage. And then these two were grown to compare. And this one is slightly greener, limier, called Early Sensation. So I actually prefer that to Helena, I think. And then this has already been in flower. So what is it? It's the end of March now. And this has already been in flower for 3 weeks. And that's Salmon Prince. And it started sort of salmon, but it's going more bronzy now. And I really like that. So I've been very, very happy with those. So then from the Dutch yard, you go down into the Oost garden. And this is an amazing rheum called Atros sanguineum. And by sort of May, June, it's right up to here. It's incredible. Really lush crimson foliage. And then a cardoon, which, I mean, I love cardoons. So from the Oost, you go up onto the lawn. And in the Oost garden, it's really intense, strong colour. Not yet, obviously, in March, but it will be in about a month's time. And then out onto the lawn, it's much calmer colour. I want it to be mainly whites and primroses. And actually, we've just discovered this new tulip here called Concerto, which a friend of mine in Holland introduced me to. And I love it because it's been in flower already for 3 weeks, so from early March. And we've underplanted it with this species tulip called Turkestanica, which is beautiful and elegant. Goes over quite quickly, but then it gives you lovely seed pods, which have fantastic shape. So I'm really liking the double layer of that particular combination of tulips. We call this area of our garden the Dutch yard because of the sort of Dutch bricks and stuff. And so I've got lots of hydrangeas, which are classic for a Dutch front garden, and amelanchias. Beautiful, beautiful at this time of year.